Hey everyone, in this video, I wanted to go over an app called Dosh. Now, Dosh is an automatic cashback app, meaning you just link your credit and debit cards to it and it will reward you with actual cash for making purchases you do anyway. So it's a pretty good app where you don't have to really do anything to get free cash. So let me go ahead and download the app and I'll walk you through the process. It's available for iPhone and for Android, and I have a link in the description. If you just click that, you could just go ahead and download the app that way. Let me open the app here on a new device for the first time. And obviously when you're new to it, you'll have to go ahead and join Dosh here. So I'm just gonna press join Dosh. It does have to verify you, so it does require a phone number. I'm gonna say next. And here on this page, I do have to enter my real information. This is gonna link to your debit and credit cards in a verified way. So I'm gonna type in my information here. I'm gonna enable notification, enable location, because it is gonna use the nearby function of your phone. And here's what the app looks like. So you got the nearby option. So these are all the different companies that have a cashback option, like Pizza Hut has a 6% cashback. And next to it, you have the online option. So 1-800-FLOWER and so on. Pizza Hut again. All these options have a cashback option as well. But nothing is going to happen till you link a credit card. So while you're on this page, you could see all these offers and scroll through them. But what you want to do is you want to link a card. So on this page, on the top right, if I click that little credit card icon where it shows a zero balance, I could go ahead and add a card. And then when I shop, when I dine out, when I shop online, it's going to automatically look for those offers. So on the offer tab here, all these offers that are here, you don't have to worry about it. You simply add a card and it will do the rest of the work for you. So let me go ahead and add a card here. On this page, I just have to press add a card on top. And it's going to bring me this page, add a card. It says add a card, unlock all nearby offers forever. You don't have to do anything and it's secure. I'm going to go ahead and add my card here. It could be a credit or debit card. So just by adding a card, it looks like I unlocked the nearby offer and I got $5. It was that simple. So I'm going to go ahead and add a second card here too. You could do the same, or you could just move forward with one card. If you're done, just go ahead and press the X on top, all done for now. And my second card has been added now. So I'm going to say all done for now, or you could add more cards. And it looks like my present balance right now is $5. And it says action required to withdraw. So now that I've added a card, I need to figure out how to take my money out of here. So if I press that, it's going to say before you make a transfer, you need to verify your email. So I do have an email I have to verify. Link a credit and debit card. I've done that. Reach a minimum of $25, which I haven't got to. And redeem an offer. So let me go ahead and verify my email here. This is the email Dosh sent me, so I'm going to go ahead and confirm that email. So now I'm going to press the three lines so I could go to that account and card option and go ahead and press that. And here you could add a bank account if you want to get paid via your bank, or a PayPal account. So that's the two different ways you could get paid under your account. The credit and debit card option is what you have added to your account already. This is where you could add cards for later on. But right now, if I wanted to add a PayPal account or a bank account, I could go ahead and add that here. And basically all is set. So you could start just using your debit and credit card as you would normally, and you will start accruing this amount. So the $5 will keep going up as you start redeeming more cashback offers from all these different vendors, all these different companies that have these offers here that you don't even have to think about. You don't have to search for them. And one last thing I wanted to show you, there is a refer option right here, and it's going to give you a refer code. So just like the one I have in the description of this video to download this app, you could create your own. And depending on the type of promotion they run, you get anywhere from $5 to $15 anytime someone uses the code and downloads the app. So at the time of this recording, for example, it's $15. So every time someone signs up and connects and verifies their credit card, you get $15. This one ends soon, but they typically have $5 to $10 referral codes here. It's a really cool way to help other people to save money, and then you get some free money as well. I hope you found this useful and you could use this Dosh app to earn some free money here by just using your credit or debit card as you usually do, and you don't have to do anything special. Please give this a like and subscribe to this channel for daily app and tech videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.